Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Daffa Nabil Hisyam. Today I will present about indirect writing test for project final exam. Indirect writing test. First is what is oral test? Oral test is a type of language assessment that evaluates a learner speaking abilities in a given language. It involves an interactive spoken component where the individual demonstrates their capacity to communicate verbally in various contexts. The format and content of oral tests can vary depending on the goals of the assessment, but they generally focus on evaluating a learner's proficiency in areas like fluency, pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, and the ability to respond appropriately in conversation. Next is uh, this is the purpose of oral test. The first purpose is measuring real-world communication proficiency in both social and professional contexts. Communication is essential to day-to-day living. Language assessment verify that students can use the language successfully in contexts such, uh, such as interviews, presentation, and conversation. By evaluating speaking abilities, it shows not just their academic understanding, but also how they utilize language in practice. Second purpose is evaluating interactive competence. Since language is interactive by definition, it necessitates not just the capacity to speak, but also the ability to listen, react, and communicate back and forth. These interaction abilities, such as taking turns, comprehending others, asking clarifying questions, and sustaining an cohesive conversation, may be evaluated using oral examination. And third is assessing pronunciation and intelligibility. Oral exam enable the assessment of speech quality, intonation, and pronunciation, whereas written assessment concentrate on vocabulary and grammar. For students striving for high proficiency, when effective communication and understanding are essential, this is especially critical. Next is this is method of assessing oral communication. The first is interview. The most popular technique for evaluating or speaking abilities in an interview in which the student poses a series of questions to the subject. In the course of two-way dialogues, the examined is invited to give spoken responses. This approach aims to evaluate the examiner's fluency, pronunciation, and appropriate vocabulary used in addition to their capacity to answer questions in impromptu manner. Next is conversation and discussion. This method involves a group conversation or discussion between the candidates and the person conducting the exam or between several candidates. The goal of this approach is to assess the candidates' interaction abilities, including their ability to talk and listen effectively, as well as respond appropriately in dynamic conversational situations. Next is, the last is presentation. Candidates are requested to deliver a brief speech or presentation on particular subject as part of the presenting approach. The examiner evaluates the examined capacity to employ suitable language, arrange argument, and facts in a clear and cohesive manner and structure information logically. And that's it from me. Thank you for the listen for part one. Thank you.
I will do part two of project final exam in the just. Okay, class. Today, I will give you an exam of verbal essay, and the topic is the importance of technology in our life, and you must have speak for 2 and 3 minutes, and it starts now.
Okay, sir. I will answer the verbal. The topic is technology. The importance of technology in our life. Technology plays a vital role in our daily lives. It has made communication faster and easier through tools like smartphone and the internet. For example, we can now video call friends and family from anywhere in the world. In education, technology provides access to information and online courses, helping people learn new skills. During the pandemic, many schools use online platforms to continue teaching, which show how essential technology is. However, technology also has a challenge. For instance, overusing social media can lead to less face-to-face interaction. We must use technology responsibly to balance its benefit and drawbacks. And the conclusion of this preparation is technology has greatly improved our life, but it's important to use it wisely to maximize its positive impact. Thank you, sir.